Imagine a world where financial abundance is within reach, where the secrets to building wealth are just waiting to be uncovered. Welcome to the world of Become Rich Online. 10 Pillars of Wealthy book, a guide that will change your life forever. Meet Sarah, a young woman struggling to make ends meet, living paycheck to paycheck and dreaming of a better life. One day, she stumbles upon a mysterious book titled 10 Pillars of Wealth while browsing online. Intrigued, she decides to dive in and uncover the secrets it holds. As Sarah delves into the book, she discovers that the 10 pillars are not just about making money, but about transforming her mindset and relationship with wealth. Each pillar offers a unique insight into the world of finance and success, guiding her on a journey toward financial freedom. The first pillar, Mindset Mastery, teaches Sarah the power of positive thinking and belief in herself. As she applies this principle to her life, she begins to see opportunities where she once saw obstacles, paving the way for abundance to flow into her life. The second pillar, Financial Education, opens Sarah's eyes to the importance of understanding money and how it works. She learns about investing, budgeting, and the power of passive income, setting her on a path toward building long-term wealth. With each new pillar she explores, Sarah's confidence grows, and her financial situation starts to improve. From entrepreneurial spirit to giving back, each lesson brings her closer to her goals and dreams. But it's not all smooth sailing for Sarah. Along the way, she faces challenges and setbacks that test her newfound knowledge and resilience. From unexpected expenses to self-doubt, she must navigate these obstacles with the wisdom she has gained from the 10 pillars. As Sarah reaches the final pillar, legacy building, she realizes that true wealth is not just about money, but about leaving a lasting impact on the world. With this newfound understanding, she sets out to create a legacy that will inspire generations to come. And so, Sarah's journey to financial freedom comes full circle, thanks to the guidance of the 10 Pillars of Wealth book. With a heart full of gratitude and a mind filled with possibilities, she steps into a future where anything is possible. Are you ready to embark on your own journey to financial freedom? Pick up your copy of Become Rich Online, 10 Pillars of Wealthy book today and start creating the life you've always dreamed of.